Hi everyone, welcome back to Glow.rom YouTube channel. So this is the channel that we are going to see what is the level and where we need to take the level and how to read it properly. From the structural drawing it given properly. We get into the video. Please subscribe and share if you like the video. Let's get into this video. And what is the level? There is three types of level that always provide in rebar detailing. One is SSL, another one is FFL, and another one is SFL. So what is SSL? So mostly rebar detailing in the structural job they will use SSL. SSL meaning structural slab level. So structural slab level that always they use top of the concrete level. And what is the SFL? So structural finished level. Structural finished level meaning there is final level they confirm. So that they call SFL. SSL it's normally structural level what they have find in the beginning. So that is we used in the rebar detailing. And what is SFL? Structural finished level or structural floor level. So wherever the floor available, it extract the level and it shows SFL. And what is FFL? Finished floor level. So that level that we need to go and search from the architectural drawing and we come to know what is the FFL. So these are all the level we need to study from the rebar detailing. So what are the level that we have discussed? One is FFL, finished floor level that we need to take from the architectural drawing. And SSL structural slab level, wherever the slab level is coming, it's not other element, it's especially for the slab where it comes exactly slab. For example, if you are going to cut the section in the beam and both sides slab will come, so that is the level that we called SFL, finished structural floor level. And structural slab level also will be there. So SSL we called structural slab level and SFL we need to say structural floor level. So now we need to remember once, FFL meaning finished floor level and SSL meaning structural slab level, and SFL also. SSL and SFL it's equal form of the meaning that we are going to see what is the SFL. So SFL that we need to say structural floor level and SSL structural slab level. So this is the level we always follow in the rebar detailing. And other than that, what we need to read for the rebar detailing, it's very interesting thing. And in future video what we are going to see, there is a sample with what is the lab condition and what is the cover detail that we are going to see in that future videos. And we come to know easier how they will going to construct in the civil area side. And in this video what are all the important things that we are going to see? It is not only rebar detailing, those who are studying civil engineer, site engineer, those who are in the company, what is the procedure what we are going to follow for the offices. So that is the thing we are going to discuss in this video. First things what we are going to discuss in this video, what is the drawing, from where we are providing, from where we are detailing, and where we need to submit, and once it's submitted where it will go, and from where we need to get the approval. So these are all the discussion we are going to see in this video. It's too easy to understand also. It's not only rebar detailing drawing, those who are all doing architectural drawing and MEP drawing, whatever drawing we are doing from the company, where it goes and where it will get approved and where it comes again to us. So finally where it will settle. So that is the type of videos, information only we are going to see in this video. So first things what we are going to discuss, we need to start from the rebar detailing. So before that we will tell the name where our drawing will go and they'll will get approved. So that is the detail now we are going to discuss. One is rebar detailing drawing that we are done, everything get approved inner office. So that is the office we call drawing. What we have done inner side, like inside the office, or there is a small office that we are creating the drawing. So that is the office we call subcontractor. So mostly the subcontractor detail only normal people will work. And where it will go, after that it will go contractor. Contractor they will provide all the details to subcontractor. We are the small company, so wherever the small company in the rebar detailing, they will call as a subcontractor. And those who done the drawing from subcontractor, that detail will go to the contractor. So contractor, who's are all contractor, we come to know the detail that we discuss about the contractor. They will get the project from outsource, and they will go and get the project from the outsource, and they will split a project to each subcontractor. Each subcontractor, what they will do the work, whether they will do the work done or no, whether they will do the work properly or no. So these are all the detail. Each subcontractor, from the each subcontractor, the contractor will come to know, and they will finalize, okay, this is the subcontractor doing great, and they are doing job without error, and they are done the BBS without error. So they will choose the subcontractor for further project details, and a drawing will go contractor detail. And after that, there is one structural engineer will be there. They will search, they will check, and everything will be okay from the contractor side, and they are going to shift into the client side. So client, before the client, there is consultant will be there. So contractor, they need to go and get the approved from contractor side. They are going to get the approved in shop drawing details from the client side. So client side, they will have one consultant. They will not have one consultant, they will have more consultant, but which person they ask us to go and submit our drawing. So that is the consultant that we need to contact them, and we need to get the approval for our drawing. And from consultant side only, they will provide to us which is the A approved drawing, which is B approved drawing, so C approved drawing, D approved drawing. So what are all the approved drawing from the consultant only, they will check our drawing, and they come to know, okay, this is the drawing approved, this is the drawing not approved. And once it's not approved, then they will return to the contractor, and contractor will check once whether they will send the drawing, why it's not approved, and whether they are checking or correct or no. It's done by the contractor, and still there is error, they will send all the drawing to the subcontractor. And if they keep on error, it's doing there is a error keep on coming from the one subcontractor, and the contractor have full rights to change the subcontractor. So subcontractor, obviously we are in a position to provide without error drawing, and there is a proper checking will be there, proper quality will be there in the drawing. So from the contractor, these are all the things they are searching from the subcontractor. So what we have discussed before, the contractor have full rights to select the subcontractor. If subcontractor come to know these are all the drawing, it's done properly, we can able to be a contractor. So that is the thing, we enter into the detailing field. If you are having if we have any plan to do the company, or if you are having any plan to do the team for rebar detailing, we should act as a subcontractor, and we need to get the name from the contractor, and we can able to become a contractor too. So and then once we submit to the contractor, again once the error we reached again, so we have revised once, and we need to submit the contractor again. They will check the drawing another one time, and they will submit it to the consultant, and it will go A approved, B approved, C approved. After that only, in this rebar detailing, the consultant job is too important, and we need to get the approval from the consultant is too important. So that is the rebar job that is the rebar detailer job, and we should always get the good command from the consultant. So once our drawing approved, and it should be A or B status only, that we have discussed in the previous videos. Yes, what are all the approved drawing that we have discussed in the previous videos? A approved, it's a selected one, and B approved, it's okay, partially they will take, and C approved, it should be returned to us, and D approved, they not at all agree. So these are the things that we have discussed before, but still we want to remember once. So that is the reason that I am going to provide another information through this video. And what are all the things that we need to discuss? Okay, after the consultant, where it will go, once they will approve, and after that only it will go to reach the site, and in the site area there is a site engineer will be there. He can able to read our drawing. Once he start to read our drawing, he ask another labor to provide the rebar on the slab, or provide the rebar on the basement floor. Like that only the people start to provide the rebar detailing job from one person to another person. So from the client side, they ask our shop drawing to produce to site engineer, and site engineer start to do the rebar detailing. So this is the normal process. And finally, where the final drawing will go means it always goes to the client side. They will have some file based on the project. They will have some MEP design drawing they have, and bunch of architectural drawing they have from the client side, because they need to get the approval from the government. So these are all the drawing design that we have, and we have proper drawing, and we have proper approval from the client and the consultant, so that we can able to do the building. So that is the thing they want to do, show the government. These are all the process. Inner side, that as a rebar detailing, as a MEP detailer, or else as a architectural engineer. So these are all the things that always we get to know the information. Because of that information only we are going to discuss in this video, and we have discussed already, and there is little information while speaking, it came to in my mind, and I will share to you. So next video, there is interesting video, and there is interesting information will be there. Until bye.